back at the Just Sawdust workshop. As you can see, I don't have dust extraction for this thing yet, so I'm gonna make a dining table. And this time I bought the wood unplaned, just rough sawn, and so I'm having a bit more work, but at least this wood has been laying in a warehouse for like 3 years, so it's dry. It's just Portuguese pine, but of a better quality than you can buy just at the wood yards. So got this planed, and now let's see whether we can make some sliding dovetails. But first I'm gonna clean up this mess. Plug it out first. That's the simple way to get a dovetail. I'm using this thing, and I don't know where it comes from. I found it at the skip or something. It's made of bamboo and it's got springs in it, and I don't know where it's used for, but serves me well to use as a, well, kind of featherboard kind of thing. So, and I've got a wide range of doing it, so yeah, dovetails. these are now 9 by 9 centimeters and square. Now maybe you shouldn't do it like I did, by putting them into 90-degree angles and then tip them over until you got that 90 degree, board on the side, clamp it and just get it through the thickness planer, and then it works like a planer, a jointer. So I haven't seen people doing it like that. I've seen them making sleds and things like that, so maybe this is dangerous, but I don't see the danger. But it works. I've got now 4 table legs that are 9 by 9 centimeter. But now the most difficult part is going to come. Clean up mess again. Well, I think that's it for this video. Getting a bit long. So I made the sides for the frame, made the ones that are going to be in between with sliding dovetails. I made a jig to route out the grooves for these sliding dovetails. The legs are square and now I have to cut them to length, about 73 centimeters, but I think I'll leave a few extra centimeters so I can always cut off the bottom end. And in the next video we'll have to design the leg and make the template, and then make 4 legs on the angle grinder copy machine. So for now I would say do some woodworking. It's a nice way to spend your time. Do some recycling. That's an even better way to spend your time, and I'll see you all in the next video. Até logo.